Всем привет! С вами я, Корнелат, и мы будем играть в GTA. Ну, пародия на GTA. Называется... Игра называется Гангстер Вегас. Мы поедем в аэропорт, там стырим один самолет или вертолет. Ой, извините. Он находится вот тут. Значит, едем сюда.
Billy Castle here, and you're in the Duck Factory. Think you're in time, don't hit the phones again. Word up, you're on the air with the Duke of Dub, Billy Castle. To the Vegas streets, the hood, 98.9. The home of the beat. Come on, homies.
This is Heavy Man laying down the beat for you on 98.4 The Hood. Now let's hear from Dead Rez with It's Bigger Than Hip Hop.
Hola, señores y señoritas. Paco at Casa de Sanchez, inviting you to the casa for the fiesta of a lifetime. Not only is our food full of olé, but all this weekend, la señorita Consuela viaja de montañas de sangre de Cristo of our special drink, the Dirty Sanchez. Casa de Sanchez. Mi casa es su casa.
The next cut I've got for you encapsulates the way I like to live my life.
Прикупил пока еще на съемках не был. Вот, ладно, давай быстрее. Вот, видно уже внизу все. Ну, третий код. Россия. Где мой спорткарик? Честно, это не мой, я его просто украл. Вот, блин, потерял. Он был вроде вот тут. Ну да ладно, ну тоже не
But his job is to use oven cleaner in a plastic baggie. And that is the best way to deal with that. I'm not done. Can I finish? Can I finish? Go ahead, Arnie. The best way to the box paint job, like if you got some orange peeling happening or something, is with pipe fluid. Everybody knows that. Just pour it all over the thing. Douse it out. Respectfully, Arnie, I disagree. There's a better... Of course you do. You also sing the praises of a quick and extremely Airbus novel, don't ya? And how many mom calls have you taken to their shoes, John? How many? Okay, thank you for calling, honey. My brother again. This is Barry Jones, and you're listening to 101.4 Classic Vibes.
My time in county jail, spending my time in county jail. Ain't much fun swinging this shovel, but I ain't got time to start no trouble. If you try, I bet you can guess what's the little secret of my success. Don't get me, I don't mind.
Ну как же так? Ну что ж, попытка не пытка. Давайте идем.
But the music never gets old. Good classics die hard. Classic Vibes, 101.4.
All right, let's let Joel Evans and his friends give us a spelling lesson with Lasvedas, Las Vegas. Lasvegas spells Vegas, down where you are sure to have a ball. A city that's as cool as it is hot, that's Vegas. Place a bet, win it all. Lasvegas,
Уважаемые друзья,
place where you